Thinking about the Word. 1 John 1:4. And these things write we unto you, that your joy may be full. The Bible has many things to say. I have heard some people say they were frightened after reading the Bible, especially the book of the Revelation. Whether reading brings you joy or fear in most instances is contingent on where you stand with God. If you have made peace with God in receiving His Son, Jesus Christ, as Lord and Savior of your life, you can read and have joy because you know that regardless of what happens, God is in control and He will take care of you, even taking you home to be with Him one day. But if you refuse to believe and receive Him, there remaineth a certain fearful looking for of judgment and fiery indignation, which shall devour the adversaries, according to Hebrews 10:27. Jesus said, Let not your heart be troubled. You believe in God, believe also in me. I go and prepare a place for you. I will come again and receive you unto myself, that where I am, there you may be also. Be thankful and joyful for the things that have been written, both for our admonition and assurance.